Mark, you mentioned just recently getting a phone call, right?
Yeah, literally on the way in here, somebody was calling me about a car accident. And we typically don't handle car accidents, but the conversation was, they were at fault. So, what happens if they don't have enough coverage? It was a really expensive vehicle that they had an accident with. And
Oh, boy.
what do they do? And we've talked at length with our estate planning clients about a concept called the umbrella policy of insurance, right? So we talk about insurance a lot. There's title insurance, there's health insurance, there's life insurance. We talk a lot about life insurance with folks in our estate planning consultations, but we also talk about umbrella policies, and that it's a liability policy. And in essence, what it does is it covers like an umbrella over your other policies. So for example, in this situation, the owner of the vehicle didn't have a significant amount of liability in their car insurance policy. So what happens, right? What happens if the extent of the damage is more than what their policy covers, right? What do? Well, probably going to get sued, probably going to owe that money, probably going to have a judgment. But if you have an umbrella policy, which is an extension of liability, for very low amount of money. I mean, $1 million in an umbrella policy is a few $100s a year. It's really inexpensive for what it covers. So we're always encouraging people to connect with their insurance professionals and talk about umbrella insurance policies. We did a continuing education course yesterday. So funny how the timing of these things happen. But yesterday we did a continuing education course for our real estate professionals with Mike and Aaron Richardson from the Richardson Insurance Company in Hanover. And we talked in depth about the umbrella insurance policies, and they're very well adept in that conversation. And we encourage people to look at their whole portfolio because, when you're talking about an estate plan, you're talking about the legacy and the vision that we talked about last week and, Prince's failure to plan correctly.
Yeah.
But we're also talking about preservation, right? Because there are things that could happen, these catastrophic events that, you work so hard and you've built up this nice portfolio and this legacy, nest egg, whatever you want to call it, and in one full swoop, tragedy could happen, but you could protect against that. And one of the really important components is an umbrella policy of insurance. We highly encourage folks to do that and to give us a call if you're not sure about it or not working with somebody who's talking with you about it. We'd love to chat with you. We can connect on my Calendly link. That's always an easy way to do it, calendly.com/mstyles. And you schedule a time that's convenient for you, and I will call you and we'll talk. No commitment, 15 minutes, anyone, anytime.
All right. Important stuff you need to know about, as Mark mentioned, and you can go to the website styles-law.com. And as Mark mentioned, there's a lot of links on there on a variety of topics, specializing in solutions. And you can get all the details at styles-law.com. And as you mentioned, Mark, they can reach right out.
They can reach right out at 781-319-1900, and our concierge will put you in touch with the proper team member to help with whatever solution we are seeking.
You got a great team over there at Styles Law, so get in touch with them. They can help you out, styles-law.com. And we do Feel Good Friday every Friday at this time, right after the news at 9. And thanks again, Mark, sponsoring high school football.
We're looking forward to the football, and we've got flag football starting tomorrow, too, down at the high school. It's going to be fun. I'm acting like you, Rob. I'm going to be DJing in the booth up there, playing some music. It's going to be fun for the whole family, so come on down.
Good stuff. Mark Styles, Styles Law, Feel Good Friday. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Rob. Have a great week, everybody.